Hi, we're going to make a friendship bracelet. That is one of these right here. You can make them and exchange them with friends or someone you feel is special. Just give them one. When they're finished, they look like this. They're about 7 inches long so that you have room to tie it onto your wrist or somebody's wrist. But you need way more than 7 inches of yarn or thread to do this. You need about 17 inches. And I used this kind of floss, it's called embroidering floss. And if you look at my blouse that I'm wearing, it's made of lots of stitches of this kind of floss, embroidery floss, and this is called embroidery. So someone put some floss onto a needle and they just made their design and they just kept sewing over and under and over and under until they filled in all their space with this nice soft fiber. So I'm going to show you today how to set up your own weaving loom so that you can make a friendship bracelet. Empty on the top, 1 string, 2 string, 3 string, take it out, put it in, rotate left. Empty on the top, 1, 2, 3, take it out, put it in, rotate left. Empty on the top, 1, 2, 3, take it out, put it in, rotate left. Keep doing that for about an hour and you'll have a nice bracelet. Now, if you want to speed things up, you can go from the third one down, go up, and on the other side, from the third one to the top, go down. Third one on the right, that's down, go up. See how it's starting to grow? It's getting longer. That's where it grows. Make sure you keep it pulled out. That's only if you want to make it go really fast. Third one down on the right, third one up on the left. Now it's starting to get long enough to go around my wrist, and I need to give it enough room so I can tie it off, tie it onto my wrist. So you take all your little strings off of your loom, make sure it's long enough. You can always put it back on if you have to. Yep, mine's just long enough. Tie a knot on the end, tie all those threads together so they don't come apart. Nice and tight. Snip off the ends, and there you go. Wear it yourself or give it away to a friend.